Alright, so we're going to find the sequence given three numbers. Specifically, we're going to find the eighth term, but that's what we're going to actually do later in the problem. Pay attention to me. Right? First thing, you're going to make an XY chart. So the numbers that they give you in the sequence are going to go in for the Y values. So you've got -2, 0, and 2. You then have to say that this is my first number in the sequence, my second number, and my third. Ultimately, when we look up here and it says find the eighth term, we're going to find the eighth term in the sequence. And we don't know what that is, but that's our very last step, is to go back and fill back in the table. Step number 1, let's determine the slope. We're going to take these 2 points right here. And from here, we're going to use superfraction. So I'm going to say y minus y over x minus x. When I do this, I get a slope of 2. Here is my m value. And then I'm going to choose a point, any point I want. I'm going to choose the point 3, 2 for my x and y. So notice I could have chosen this point, or this point. I like this one the best because it's all regular old numbers. I'm then going to come here, take this information, and put it into the point slope formula, which says y minus y is equal to the slope m times x minus 3. No double signs, no denominator, so I can go ahead and write to my distributing step. Y minus 2 equals 2x minus 6. Add 2, trying to get y by itself. Y is equal to 2x minus 4. So the first thing I did here was I used calculated slope, picked a point, used my point slope formula, solved for y. I need this formula in order to determine the eighth term. So my next step is to come back to here, write my equation, y equals 2x minus 4, but notice my x value is 8. So I'm going to replace the x with an 8, pull out my calculator, 2 times 8 minus 4, 16 minus 4 is 12. So the answer that I want here is 12.